Hi guys. So today we are going to park and this is morning. So generally morning में या तो हम लोग स्कूल जाते हैं और otherwise we used to go park और because since 2-3 days it was raining so हम लोग कहीं बाहर नहीं गए तो you can see how beautiful weather it is. So after a long time we went to park and I thought I should film video and here is he playing because बहुत टाइम बाद गए थे so he is also enjoying a lot here. He did everything because I think he missed everything क्योंकि बहुत टाइम हो गया था और आज वेदर इतना अच्छा था I just want to film the video. It was just random, ऐसा कोई प्लान नहीं था मेरा, so I didn't have my tripod or selfie stick, but still I thought इतना प्यारा weather and he's playing so nicely, so I should make some clips. So after that I thought clips are complete, like enough I have, so I should make a proper vlog. So yes, he's playing here and हम लोग वहाँ ज़्यादा देर नहीं रहे because again rain start हो गई थी. So you can see this is for climb up, but he's trying to get down from here. So he's so funny. This little boy is too much naughty. So yeah, you can see he's doing each and everything, and this is only one child section. He didn't even went to the another child section. So this इसका बहुत favorite part है. इसे किया बिना घर नहीं आता है. And here he's doing by his own, and here he's taking my help so he can play nicely. And yes, here I'm showing you guys the weather, the peaceful, the loving, the beautiful, and the green weather, like greenery, not weather, but weather is really amazing. And yeah, now we are going back to home because I thought बारिश आने वाली है, so it's better to go home. We'll play outside, we will play in our apartment. So we are going to home and yeah, still जब हम घर जाते हैं तो भी ये बीच में खेलता है. So guys, see, देखिए how beautiful the flowers and all. I clicked some picture for you guys. बहुत ही awesome लगता है, बहुत ज़्यादा. So see the flowers, the beauty. Still घर लौटने के बाद भी he is playing and he is enjoying the rain. And yeah, हम मम्मा बेटा का तो चलता रहेगा. If you like this video then please press the like button, and if you really like the video then please subscribe my channel, so आगे भी आपको मज़ा आए.